Okay, everybody makes deviled eggs. People have different recipes. People like them a certain way. And I have several recipes that I use to make deviled eggs. And this is just one of them. Of course, you boil your eggs, of course. And then you smash all the yellow in a bowl, which is pretty common. And then what makes this special for me, for my family, is the ingredients. Okay, we start off with honey mustard. Okay, this really adds a lot of flavor to it. And how much? Just a couple of squirts, whatever you think. You do everything to taste. Okay. So next thing we put is dill relish. Dill relish. Big old spoon of that in there. Okay. After you smash up all the eggs, of course, the yellows all smashed up. Next I do Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. Really adds a lot to it. Now you could probably buy this. This is from South Louisiana, so you probably have this all over. If not, you can buy it online. But this really makes it all kind of food taste good. I use it on everything. Okay, next. Okay, a squirt of yellow mustard. Just take your regular mustard, and like I said, everything is to taste. You put it like you want it. Okay. And then mayo, if I can get this right. I happen to have Blue Plate here. It's got olive oil in it. Yeah, that's just the one we use. It's in a squeeze bottle. But it's regular mayonnaise. Okay. Then Dijon mustard. Okay. This really makes it taste good. Alright. Put a little Dijon mustard in there. Okay, then of course after you cut the eggs in half, just put it in your little tray or whatever you're gonna put them in. Then of course paprika. You just spread the paprika over the top, and that's how we make deviled eggs. Quick and easy, and they taste good. Okay, ingredients: Dijon mustard. No, I'm sorry, honey mustard. Dill relish. Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. Regular mustard. This is mayo. It just happens to be Blue Plate with olive oil. Okay. And then Dijon mustard. And like I said, I don't measure anything. I just put it to taste. I just taste it as I'm going along. If I feel like I need something more or something else, I'll put it in there. Of course, this paprika, just bring on the top of that. Okay, that's pretty much how we do it. So how we do it here? How we make deviled eggs. I should have broke up. I got an antique deviled egg plate. That's back from the 30s. I should have broke that out, I guess. And that's pretty much it. How we make deviled eggs. How we do it here. Quick and easy. Okay, I want to add something to it. Put your favorite recipe in the comments so we all can share the different recipes, because there's a lot of ways to make this deviled eggs, and I'm willing to try anyone, any kind. So go ahead and put your favorite recipe in the comments. Thank you.